In this video, we will look at how to divide terms in index forms when simplifying expressions such as these. Let's start with this expression. How can we simplify this to obtain its value? Well, 7 to the power of 4 is 2,401 and 7 squared is 49. So dividing 2,401 by 49 gives 49. Now we can also do it in another way, using the laws of indices. Here the bases are the same, which is 7. So we use this law of indices and subtract the indices to get 7 squared, or 49, which is the same value we obtained earlier. How about this expression? Do you know how we can simplify it? Let's check if the bases are the same. Yes, they have the same basis, which is 3. So we can use this law of indices and subtract the indices to get 3 to the power of x minus 6. Now let's look at how we can simplify this expression. Again, check if the bases are the same. Here the bases are different, but they have the same index, x. So we can use this law of indices and divide the bases to get 2/5 to the power of x. Next, look at this expression. We see that the bases and indices are different. What else can we do to simplify it? 3 is a prime number, while 27 is a composite number, which can be expressed as a product of prime factors. Also, 3 is a factor of 27. Now can we write 27 as a power of 3? Yes, we can. 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 cubed, in index form. To simplify this, we can use this law of indices and multiply the indices to get 3 to the power of 3x. Do you notice that the bases are now the same? So we can use this law of indices and subtract the indices to get 3 to the power of 3x minus y. How about an expression like this? We can see that both the bases and indices are different. How can we simplify it? We know 2 is a prime number and 8 is a composite number. By now you should know that 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 when expressed as a product of prime factors. So we can write 8 as a power of 2, which is 2 cubed. Now we can simplify this further using this law of indices to get 2 to the power of 3x minus 3. Now can you see that the bases are the same? So we can subtract the indices to get 2 to the power of 2x minus 3. Let's look at one final expression. What can we do to simplify this? Again, observe that both the bases and indices are different. But for this expression, both the bases 2 and 5 are prime numbers, and they only have 2 factors, the number itself and 1. This means we cannot rewrite them as power of the same number. What else can we do? Well, let's express 2 to the power of x plus 2 as a product of index forms. Recall that we can use this law of indices to get 2 to the power of x times 2 squared. We know 2 squared is 4, and we write the constants on the left by convention. Now, how can we simplify this? Let's write the expression like this. Do you see that the index for these two index forms are the same? To simplify this, we can use this law of indices and divide the bases to get 2/5 to the power of x. So we just write the expression as 4 times 2/5 to the power of x. Let's see what we have learned. To divide terms in index forms, we need the bases, or indices, to be the same so that we can apply suitable laws of indices and simplify the expression.